Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on Snapchat. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat, open the app, and after that, go and click on your avatar on the top left of the screen. After that, go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, the second option is username. Click on it. And as you can see also here, so this is how your friends find you and add you on Snapchat. And the most important thing is you can only change your username once a year. So if you change your username now, you can't change it again and you have to wait until the next year. So if you still want to change it, you have to click on change username, and it tells you here that your username may become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. And that means that someone, if your username will be available again, so someone or anyone can use this username as their username in the future. So if you still want to change, you have to click on continue, and you can change your username here. For example, I will change it to Ahmed dot. Okay, so we can only use letters and numbers. So I will change it to Ahmed Ben Atia. So it's not available. Let's put Mr. Tech Tips. Okay, so it's available. Click next. And after that, you have to put the password of your account and click confirm. And click confirm again. And voila, the username has been successfully updated. Click continue. And the username of our account changed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.